In this video, this patient lost part of his nose, but instead of undergoing another major surgery, we created a nasal custom prosthesis. I show you how a custom nasal prosthesis is made and how it can change a patient's appearance and confidence.
I'll show you how we attach nasal prosthesis step by step using medical adhesive. A prosthetic nose can't replace everything a natural nose does, but for this right patient, it can make an enormous difference. When the patient comes to us, his nasal prosthesis attached directly on his glasses. The main problem is unstable. We decided to use medical adhesive to attach.